Meal prep my man's food for the week with me as a stay-at-home mom that hates cooking. Anyways, let's go. I'm sure he probably hates to pay my credit card bill, but he still does, so let's not complain. I meal prep his food because he leaves out on Monday and doesn't come back home until Friday. And I only meal prep breakfast and dinner. You gotta figure out lunch, boo. That's on you. But let's get into what we're gonna make him this week. We're gonna make him sausage, egg, and cheese raisin bagels, along with some yogurt parfaits, along with homemade chipotle bowls with vinaigrette, spinach chicken stuffed pasta shells, and an easy version of General Tito, however you say it, in fried rice. This I buy already made and just microwave it. I'm making like 4 different meals, and you think I'm gonna make every single one from scratch? Babes, no. So once we heat and mix all that up, we just pour it into the bowl like that. And they had those meals buy one get one free at Publix, so I definitely stocked up because he loves those. Now it's time to take off the chicken for the stuffed shells and throw on the chicken for the chipotle bowls. And when I cook, I don't make one meal at a time. I just make whatever's the most convenient and throw it all together at the end. Y'all already know I'm a baker, so whenever it comes to cooking, I'm just unorganized. Baking though, I got that. For the chipotle bowls, he only likes corn salsa, cheese, rice, and chicken. He likes to keep it real simple and real basic, which I'm not complaining because I don't want to have to do the most. And most of the time with his meal preps, I usually will have something left over, but most of the time I just like to cook something fresh for me and my baby. We're not too big on leftovers over here, but baby, if we hungry, then we hungry, and we'll just eat anything and everything. And for the last few months, he was like, take a break from cooking and I'm just gonna eat out, don't worry about it. And then the other week ago, he was like, listen, I'm getting too unhealthy, I need you to start meal prepping healthy things for me. And of course, I'm gonna make sure he stay healthy. And for the chipotle bowls, of course, I'm gonna make a chipotle vinaigrette copycat version. Does anybody else's Chipotle charge for their vinaigrette? Ours charges $1.90 for a cup that's not even full. It's halfway full or a quarter full, and you're gonna charge $1.90. Yeah, girl, hold on, y'all. My bad, y'all. I am a mother, but I found these little pasta shells at the grocery store, and I had to grab them because I knew they would be just perfect to be stuffed with some chicken and some spinach and topped with some Alfredo sauce and cheese. While that was baking in the oven, we went ahead and got started on his breakfast, which, like I said, was gonna be bagels and yogurt. 20 minutes later on 350 and 5 minutes later on broil, this thing was ready to come out the oven and it looked delicious. If y'all want the recipe, let me know because it actually was delicious. 3 breakfast bagels later, 2 yogurt parfaits with some granola, 1 quick and easy chicken and rice, 2 chipotle bowls, and 1 thing of stuffed shells. And after all that, he's ready to go for the week and I'm done for the night. I love each and every single one of y'all so much. Bye.